Hey guys, it's Scott DeSalvo, the injury lawyer, and in today's video, we're going to talk about how the Trump convictions and the prospects at him overturning those convictions on appeal, what that tells you about your case and your trial. So, I listen to a lot of legal commentators whenever it comes to trials and stuff like that because I like to stay on top and be the best so I can do the best job for my clients. So I paid attention to the Trump trial even though it's a criminal trial, and I don't really do criminal work anymore. I did a little bit of criminal work early in my career. I'm mainly a civil guy. I represent injured people, and even though something like 90% of my cases settle in great results that my clients are happy with, I still do litigate cases. So in the Trump case, I've been listening to a lot of legal commentators, and I don't really know whether they're right or wrong, but a lot of people are saying that these convictions in criminal court against Trump are very, very appealable. Meaning, when you go to trial and you get a verdict, you can go to a court one step ahead, one step above you, and say, listen, we think that there were mistakes made during the trial that gave us that were error that need to be undone. So you need to overturn the convictions or, something like that. We need relief. It's usually in criminal cases to overturn the conviction, but here's what a lot of people don't know. The same thing is true in civil cases. So if we go to trial, it works both ways. If we make a mistake at trial and the judge allows it to happen and we get a big verdict for you, the appellate court, if the other side appeals, the appellate court can say, that was such a big error, we think it's the main reason you got your verdict, we're going to overturn it, go back to trial again. And it works for us on the other side too. If we go to trial and the defendant cheats or introduces evidence that shouldn't and the judge lets him get away with it, we can file appeal and overturn it. Now, it's very rare to do an appeal. I think defendants appeal big verdicts way more than injured people appeal their lack of a verdict or their small verdict. Part of the reason why is it's very expensive to appeal, and we have to have real certainty that the mistake was the cause of the not guilty. Because here's what happens. If we appeal a case on our end of it, and that just means we have to go down and try the case again, which can mean tens of thousands of dollars in additional costs and a lot of attorney time, right? So before we do anything like that, we want to make damn sure that if we go back to court and try it a second time, the error is fixed, and that error was really the reason why we didn't win. Now, do the math the other way. Let's say we go to trial and I win you, let's say $500,000, $500,000. Well, the insurance company is happy to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 to appeal if they think there's a chance that they can knock that verdict down. It also is going to delay payment of that money for a long time. If we have to retry it and we get the same verdict again, the insurance company got to hang on to that money and earn the interest on it, right? So the other thing is insurance companies have money falling out of their butt, right? Most injured people don't, and there are only so many cases I can appeal. I've only been involved in a few appeals in my entire career, probably half a dozen, if memory serves. So it's very rare for us to appeal a case. Insurance companies sometimes will, but the truth is they rarely do it too unless they think they're going to win. So that's how that works, and that's what that's how the Trump prospects of appeal tell you what might happen after a trial in your injury case. So hope that information is edifying to you, helps you out, teaches you a little bit more about the legal system. If you or anyone you know needs an injury lawyer, please consider giving me a call. We do a great job. You can call me anytime, night or day, 312-500-4500. Thanks so much for subscribing, referring me your friends and family members. Anything I can do, please reach out. Thanks again. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.